Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your username on the Facebook app. So to change your username on the Facebook app, this is your real name that you want to change. It can also be your username. It doesn't have to be your real name. But to change it, first things first, you want to make sure that Facebook is updated. And once you check that Facebook is updated, go onto the Facebook app. Now here, there should be 3 lines in the bottom right corner. It should be your menu. It can also look like your profile picture. Now once you click on it, you want to scroll all the way down from the top. It's the menu page. So scroll all the way down till you see settings and privacy. Here at settings and privacy, let me show you guys real quick. There should be a drop down where settings appear. So as you can see, I can drop it down and settings will appear. It should be the top option. Click on that. Once you click on that, in the account subsection, there should be an option that says personal information. You're going to want to click on that. It should be the top option of the account options. And here, you'll see your name at the very top of all the options under General. Just click on your name and it will bring you to this page right here. Once it brings you to this page, you'll be able to see your first name, your middle name, and your last name. So put in whatever name you want, and I'll do Paul Bohr. I don't know. It doesn't really matter. Just put in whatever you want to change your name to. And once you put in whatever you want to change your name to, click on Review Changes. And once you put in all your things, just click on Review Changes, and then it will start reviewing the changes that you made to your name. And as you can see here, you can save changes, and you have to put in your password first before you do it. So after you put in your password, you could click on Save Changes, and it will change your name. However, you still have 48 hours to revert it back to your old name. So if you want to do that, go back to your name. And in the middle of the page, there should be an option that says Use Previous Name. You have 48 hours to change it back. If you don't do that, then you are stuck with the new name that you made for 60 days. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them. And I'll see you guys next time.